It has been observed where some members, while actively contributing to the blessed tehrikat schemes, choose not to make a formal financial promise at the start of the year. How can we encourage them to adopt the practice?
Lajnah member is already participating 1/3 of the total contribution of the Jamaat. That is enough. You cannot force them. You should not overburden them. So it is okay. I am happy with this. Only that every member should participate in this scheme. But those who are already participating, they should not be forced to give more. You can only see their capacity, their capability, their potential, their source, and then you can ask them.
They contribute, लेकिन वो वादा नहीं लिखवाते हैं. ये
वादा नहीं लिखवाते हैं, okay. Sometimes people don't write वादा. तो ठीक है, वादा क्या है, वो वादे से फिर ये they will bound to read. But if वो contribute कर रहे हैं substantial amount, then it's okay. अब तो वक्फी का साल चल रहा है ना. You should give more emphasis on nasrat. Nasrat should participate in the Waqf scheme. Make your target 100% of Nasrat should participate in Waqf.